Welcome to the Bike Review, where we bring you the latest, most detailed bike insights. In today's video, we're diving into the iconic Harley-Davidson Sportster. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycles, the Sportster offers a unique combination of power, design, and heritage that has made it one of Harley-Davidson's most beloved models. Let's break it down and see what makes the Harley-Davidson Sportster stand out in the world of motorcycles. The Harley-Davidson Sportster first hit the streets in 1957, making it one of the longest-running models in Harley's lineup. Initially designed to be a lighter, more affordable option for riders, the Sportster has evolved significantly over the decades. From its humble beginnings as a small displacement bike to its modern incarnation as a powerful and customizable machine, the Sportster has cemented its place in motorcycle history. At the heart of the Harley-Davidson Sportster is its engine. The current generation is powered by the Evolution engine, a Versus twin powerhouse that delivers excellent performance while maintaining Harley's signature rumble. Depending on the variant, the Sportster is equipped with either a 883cc or a 1200cc engine, giving riders the option between a more approachable or a more robust ride. The 883cc engine offers smooth and responsive performance, perfect for city cruising or shorter highway stretches. On the other hand, the 1200cc engine offers more torque and power, making it a better fit for those who seek more thrilling rides at higher speeds. Both engines are designed to provide a rich, low-end torque curve, ensuring that whether you're just starting out or an experienced rider, the Sportster has the power to keep up with your journey. The design of the Harley-Davidson Sportster is timeless, capturing the essence of the Harley brand while offering a modern edge. Its minimalist, rugged look is instantly recognizable. The bike features clean lines, a low-slung seat, and a compact, muscular frame that gives it a street-smart appearance. One of the defining features of the Sportster is its customization options. Harley-Davidson has built a culture of personalization, and the Sportster is no exception. Riders can customize everything from handlebars and exhaust systems to wheels and seats. Whether you're looking for a cafe racer aesthetic or a classic cruiser feel, the Sportster can be tailored to reflect your personal style. Although the Sportster is a cruiser, it does not compromise on comfort. Its low seat height makes it accessible for a wide range of riders, especially those with a shorter inseam. The wide handlebars offer good control, and the slightly forward-set footpegs give you an ergonomic riding position, making long-distance rides relatively comfortable for a bike in this category. When it comes to handling, the Sportster offers a balanced ride, thanks to its lightweight design and responsive suspension. The bike's agility makes it great for maneuvering through tight spaces, city traffic, or winding roads. While it's not as nimble as some sport bikes, the Sportster strikes a good balance between performance and comfort, making it a great all-rounder. In recent years, Harley-Davidson has incorporated modern technology into the Sportster to keep it relevant for today's riders. The newer models come equipped with an advanced digital display, offering riders useful information such as speed, fuel levels, and gear position. This digital interface is a nice addition, blending traditional Harley features with modern tech. Additionally, the bike's safety features include anti-lock braking systems (ABS) and optional traction control, adding an extra layer of security, particularly in adverse weather conditions. While it may not be as tech-heavy as some of its competitors, the Sportster delivers just the right amount of features to enhance the riding experience without overwhelming the rider. The Harley-Davidson Sportster offers great value, considering its rich history, build quality, and performance. With a starting price that typically ranges between $8,000 and $11,000, depending on the model and specifications, the Sportster is priced competitively within the cruiser segment. For a Harley-Davidson, the Sportster represents a more affordable entry point into the brand's lineup, especially when compared to larger touring or bagger models. Despite its lower price point, the Sportster doesn't skimp on quality, offering the same durable craftsmanship and attention to detail that Harley-Davidson is known for. The Harley-Davidson Sportster remains a legendary motorcycle, offering an ideal combination of classic design, performance, and versatility. Whether you're after a bike for city commutes, weekend rides, or long highway stretches, the Sportster delivers on all fronts. Its customizable nature, powerful engine options, and overall comfort make it a standout choice for motorcycle enthusiasts. Thanks for watching the bike review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the world's best motorcycles. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Harley-Davidson Sportster, and if you'd like to see more in-depth reviews on other bikes. Ride safe.